Hey everyone, and welcome to the CoinChimp YouTube channel. If you're familiar with XRP but still trying to understand Kaspa, how it works and where it's headed, this video is for you. We'll compare the current state of both chains across several key aspects, including usability and performance, and highlight what Kaspa is projected to achieve in its next phase, expected to unfold over the end of 2025. First, let's talk about market recognition. XRP is one of the most well-known digital assets in the financial sector, with strong institutional backing and a focus on global payments. Its widespread adoption and regulatory presence give it a perfect 10 out of 10 in market recognition. Kaspa, on the other hand, is growing within mining and developer communities, but it is not yet a household name. I'll score it 5 out of 10 for now. By the end of 2025, Kaspa is expected to gain more visibility through major exchange listings and its Sparkle framework, which will enable smart contracts. These developments could bring its market recognition to 7 out of 10. Usability refers to how easy and versatile these chains are for both developers and users. XRP is optimized for payments, allowing fast and low-cost transactions. However, its use cases beyond payments are somewhat limited, as it does not have a strong ecosystem for dApps. I'd rate it 7 out of 10 for usability. Kaspa is currently focused on fast transactions and mining, without native support for smart contracts yet. However, it offers KRC20 tokens and KRC721 NFTs through inscriptions, along with tools like WASM to accelerate development around it. Right now, I'd rate it 5 out of 10. By the end of 2025, Kaspa will introduce smart contracts through Sparkle, opening the door to DeFi, NFTs, and more. This will make it a much more versatile platform, pushing its usability score to 8 out of 10. XRP processes up to 1,500 transactions per second with low fees, making it highly scalable. However, its reliance on validator-based consensus limits its flexibility. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Kaspa's BlockDAG structure allows for parallel block confirmations, making it naturally scalable and resistant to congestion. Right now, it scores 7 out of 10. By the end of 2025, Kaspa will implement the Crescendo upgrade, increasing its block rate to 10 per second, making it one of the most scalable networks. This will push its score to 9 out of 10. XRP uses a validator-based consensus, which is efficient, but relies on a small set of trusted nodes. This makes it vulnerable to some centralization risks. I'd rate its security at 7 out of 10. Kaspa, on the other hand, is secured by pure proof of work, making it highly resistant to attacks. Its mining-based security model is one of the most robust, earning it a 10 out of 10. By the end of 2025, Kaspa will integrate zk-Rollups, adding another layer of privacy and fraud prevention while maintaining its existing security strengths. It keeps its perfect 10 out of 10 security rating. XRP's validator model is efficient but controlled by a small number of entities, limiting its decentralization. I'll score XRP 3 out of 10. Kaspa's proof-of-work system allows anyone with mining hardware to participate, ensuring high decentralization. It scores 9 out of 10. This will remain unchanged in Kaspa's next phase, as it continues to prioritize an open and inclusive mining model. Here's how these two networks stack up. Currently, XRP dominates in market recognition and payments, while Kaspa is one of the strongest networks in security and decentralization. By the end of 2025, Kaspa's Sparkle smart contracts, zk-Rollups, and Crescendo upgrade will make it even more competitive. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. I hope you found this content valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and insights like this. Also, be sure to follow me on Twitter to stay updated with the latest developments in this technology and beyond. Let's keep exploring and learning together. Until the next time, cheers.